Welcome to my channel, The Speed Circuit. Gas cars are loud and powerful. Hybrids promise efficiency. EVs are the future, or are they? And what about hydrogen? Could it be the underdog ready to dominate? In today's video, we're diving into a four-way showdown. Gas versus hybrid versus electric versus hydrogen. Which one comes out on top? You might be surprised by the answer. For over a century, gasoline-powered cars have dominated the roads. They're powerful, widely available, and deeply loved by gearheads. But they come at a cost: rising fuel prices, maintenance headaches, and environmental impact. Pros: power, refueling speed, infrastructure. Cons: pollution, fuel cost, maintenance. Hybrids try to blend the best of both worlds, gas and electric. Think Toyota Prius, Honda Accord hybrid. They're fuel efficient, quiet in the city, and don't need to be plugged in, but still burn fuel on long trips. Pros: fuel economy, reduced emissions, no range anxiety. Cons: still use fossil fuels, complex maintenance. Electric vehicles are here, and they're getting faster, smarter, and cleaner every year. Brands like Tesla, Rivian, and BYD are leading the charge. EVs offer instant torque, low maintenance, and zero tailpipe emissions. But charging times and range anxiety are still real concerns. Pros: instant power, low running costs, eco-friendly. Cons: charging infrastructure, battery production, limited range, in budget models. Hydrogen cars might sound futuristic, but they're already here. Cars like the Toyota Mirai and Hyundai Nexo use hydrogen fuel cells to create electricity, meaning fast refueling and only water vapor emissions. The catch? Almost no hydrogen stations and high production costs. Pros: fast refueling, zero emissions, great range. Cons: limited infrastructure, expensive, energy-intensive production. Let's pit them head-to-head and see who comes out on top in 5 key areas: cost, performance, range, emissions, and infrastructure. So who wins? Well, it depends. Daily drivers may love hybrids. Eco-warriors will lean toward EVs. Tech enthusiasts may bet on hydrogen. Performance fans still adore gas. Which one would you choose? Gas, hybrid, electric, or hydrogen? Drop your pick in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share.